Everyone, today we have here Pratima, one of our students from Speakeasy class. Hello Pratima,
Yes, sir. Hello.
how are you doing?
Sir, I am doing good.
Okay, चलिए let's know her journey by herself. Please introduce yourself Pratima first.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pratima Pradhan. I study in class 4 in Vidyajyoti School, Gamharia, Jamshedpur. I live in Gamharia, Jamshedpur, and I want to become a teacher. My hobby is to play badminton. That's all about me. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, thank you very much Pratima. Okay, चलिए Pratima, explain us the importance of English language. Why do you want to learn English language?
Okay, sir. Sir, in schools, in tuition, all that person who are in school teaching, so they say in English only, and the message also come in English. So without we speak English and we learn English, how can we read the English sentence also, and how can we tell the English? When teacher is telling anything in English, we can't understand whenever we know the English. So nowadays I understand everything because I learned the English.
Okay, चलिए, very good. One more thing Pratima, how did you get to know about Speakeasy English classes?
Okay, sir. Sir, I know that first of all, Upendra sir is doing the speak easy classes. Second, Naveen sir is doing. So Upendra sir has told to Naveen sir that this class, and then Naveen sir has told to me. When I start the English classes, I was in the 2 class. So I was. Tell to Syamal sir. So sir, Syamal sir has practiced me also.
Okay. Okay, Pratima, could you tell us one more about Speakeasy classes? That what are the things they are being provided?
Okay, sir. Sir, many things are provided like translation. There are many games and many things also. First of all, the translation, then jam session, then character play. Like these things are games, and in last, when we are ending the session, we ending the class call, so we write the words also. So many new words, English and Hindi. That's words are coming, and new words that are the benefit of us.
Okay, chale, good. Do you find Speakeasy English classes helpful for you to learn English language?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How? Can you explain something?
Sir, like character play. For example, character play, like anyone is become a shopkeeper in game only, and anyone is the customer and teacher, students, like these things. So we know that's how can do play. It's play. First of all, we have learned how it's go. Then second is the translation like English to Hindi, Hindi to English. Sir has tell the English and we tell Hindi. Our sir will tell the Hindi, we tell English. Like this. First of all we have learned, then we speak.
Okay, chaliye, good. Okay, Pratima, tell me one more thing, that what are the problems you used to face earlier?
Okay, sir. Earlier I have faced many problems. Problems are that whenever any sir or ma'am calling me, without good morning only I tell hello. So it is not good for us. First of all, nowadays any sir or ma'am is calling, so that time we tell good morning first of all, then only we talk. That time, that problem first of all, and second is I don't know about English, so I tell Hindi only many times. A little bit only I say English. So nowadays that problem I am not facing because I have learned English.
Chal, very good. Do you still face this problem, Pratima, that you said?
Now, sir?
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay, chaliye, good. How much you improved? Can you explain something?
Okay, sir. Sir, I have improved that I have said in first that I am not telling good morning.
Okay.
Sir, that and second one is that I am not telling the English in a good way.
Okay.
Only I am telling Hindi.
Okay.
That thing.
Okay, chaliye, good. Okay, Pratima, one more thing. Tell us that what do you find interesting about SPEAKIZY English classes that you like most?
Okay, sir. Sir, there are the games that I like and to speak also. First of all, I like one game. That game is translation, that English to Hindi and Hindi to English. And second one, that we write the words, that new words we know.
Okay, chaliye. These are the things you like about SPEAKIZY English classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chaliye. Thank you very much, Pratima, for your cooperation.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. Keep learning. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Yes.